What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bury Me Alive by Oliver Tree. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only using 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you're going to need is going to be an A major bar chord. It's going to be 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Bar the entire index finger, or the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger 7th fret on the A string, pinky finger 7th fret on the D string, middle finger 6th fret on the G string. Then you're going to go A flat major, use that exact same formation and just slide it down 1 fret. So you're at 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. Then you're going to go C sharp minor, which is 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Very similar to this formation here. You're just dropping it all down a string. So bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger. You don't have to touch the low E. Just start on the A string. Bar that entire 4th fret. Ring finger on the D string on the 6th fret. Pinky finger on the G string on the 6th fret. And then your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. The one that they're using in the song is a little bit unique. You can use whatever really is comfortable for you, but the one in the song is down, 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 down. So down, down. And what they're kind of doing is hitting the root note, and then the rest of the chord, down, 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 root note, down, root note, rest of the chord, root note. So root note, chord, root note, root note, chord, root note, root note, chord, root note, root note, chord, root note. I know it sounds weird, but it sounds like and again, play around with it, however is comfortable for you is fine, but that's the closest that they get to the strumming pattern in the song. After the first 2 down strums, I'm letting go of the chord to mute it. And I'm doing that after every time I'm strumming the full chord, I'm letting off of it to mute it, if that makes sense. So slowly it looks like let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go. That way it's muting the strings. That's how you get that muted sound in between. So again, it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One will receive a guitar accessories kit and the other will receive a t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. The way you can enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on this video with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna live stream the monthly giveaway winners, and then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna live stream the winner of the acoustic guitar, and you gotta have those notifications turned on to get notified for the live stream. I'm super excited to give away another acoustic guitar. I just gave away one when I hit 50,000 subscribers, and that just reminded me why I'm doing this. It's all for you guys, because if it wasn't for you, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So again, thank each and every one of you so much for all the love, all the support. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a comment on this video with a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we'll see you in the next video.